I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the.
You wanna leave it open?
Leave it open. I didn't build this truck to be really, really loud. It's just low. It plays really, really low.
Real low.
It's tuned to 23.
Get windy then.
Very windy.
Yeah.
I blew the amp yesterday, so I'm only on one amp.
What kind you running back there?
It's got NS2s. It's got two Sundown NS2s, one on each set.
The old school ones. You
The
can
old school big.
Yeah, the big one. Yeah.
But right now I'm just running one of them.
It's hard to run across those. How you find those?
Got a buddy. It's got about 20 of them.
Oh yeah, he hoarding them.
All right. Take me a second to get everything powered back.
I ain't no hair,
I
man.
was actually finna walk away for a few minutes. I just gave some kids a demo.
These 18?
Yeah. ZV5 18, ZV6 soft parts. And like I said, it likes low.
That's it right there.
You wanna ride in the rain? On dates, you want somebody to come hours. Wash your back while y'all sit in the shower. Someone to tell you I love you, and don't got a reason. Someone to bring you peace, someone to help you sleep, someone to
It's right there. That's it right there.
See, it ain't built to be.
Yeah, but it's windy.
Yeah.
That's good though. You can tolerate that.
It's real efficient.
Yeah.
I can let kids, it's kid friendly. I can let kids get here and
You know, some of them you can't let them get in.
But that's why this knob I can let them kids have.
And it ain't too much.
They can do
you
what they want to do.
Just right.
Yep.
Where can they find you at on social media?
It's got its own TikTok channel. It's on the back of the truck. It's Almost Loud.
Yeah.
It's got its own YouTube, Almost Loud.
Okay, I'm gonna go get a picture of the back and everything. I sure appreciate it, bro.
Appreciate you, man.
Thank you, man. You wanna check it out?
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.